Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, articles a, an, and the. Children, you know that we are using an before the words beginning with a vowel. Okay? And what about a? We use a before the words beginning with a consonant, right? Children, already you know that the vowels and the consonants. We learned that in the first lesson. We also use an before the words that begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound, like an honest man. Here, the spelling of honest is Honest and first letter is H, and that is the consonant, and after that H, O is the vowel. So we have to say that honest, not honest, right? A is used before the words beginning with vowels if we hear a Y sound, like a unit. Here, U is the vowel, but we can hear the sound Y. So, before that word, we have to use A. Here I am giving some examples: a European, a university, a 1 rupee note. Now we are going to solve the exercise A. But before that, see here, some pictures are shown there and the use of a and. See the first one: an engine, a snail, an owl, a uniform. Okay. Exercise A. Fill a or an in the blanks. First, there is a bucket and an orange mug in the bathroom. Second, it takes an hour to drive from my house to the airport. Third, Dino wanted an umbrella, but his mother bought a raincoat instead. Fourth, an honest man will never cheat anyone. Okay? Next, we use the before the naming word when it is clear which particular one we mean. For example, a dress can mean any dress, but the dress means that particular one only. Article the, it shows uniqueness or specific thing. Okay? See here, children. Exercise B. Use a, an, or the to complete the sentences with each picture. Note the difference in meaning between each pair of sentences. I want a water bottle. Can I have the blue water bottle? Here, in the second sentence, children, the is used because can I have the blue water bottle? In this sentence, The bottle color is given. It means the specific. So, here the is used. Second, this is a school bus. Please get into the bus. The soldier lost an arm in the war. It was the left arm. We were invited to a party, but we could not attend the party. Next, a tortoise and a hare were good friends. The tortoise moved slowly, but the hare ran fast. Next, you must remember that a and an are used before singular naming words. The is used before singular and plural naming words. Okay? See children, fill in each sentences. Read aloud. The girl is sad. She is crying. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. The elephant is a large animal. Please shut the door. The chair is broken. Don't sit on it. Next exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. This is a red pen. The pen is mine. Here is an orange. The orange is sweet. In Mumbai, we lived in a big house. The house faced the sea. Have you seen the Taj Mahal? It is a beautiful monument. Please make me a cheese and tomato sandwich. The earth revolves around the sun. I have dropped 100-rupee note. There is not a single cloud in the sky. William Blake was both a poet and an artist. An ant is an insect. Okay. Next, complete the story by adding a, an or the in the blanks. Tina has a red kite. She plays with the kite every day. One day, the wind blew the kite away. Tina felt she had lost an old friend. That night, she looked out of the window and saw an owl. The owl had something in its beak. It was the lost kite. The owl dropped the kite. Tina picked it up. Children, I hope you understood. Thank you, children.